I need to get to the point. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys how I've been organizing my October calendar and how I've been dealing with uploading every day for Vlogoween, Vlogtober, and kind of just like getting into the spirit but still staying as neat and organized as possible. So I do rely heavily on my OCD to kind of pave the way into making this month of videos and posting and content creation super easy. And let's just get right into showing you my bullet journal. Okay. I dedicate one book to Vlogoween planning. I got this at the dollar store for 50 cents, but I'll leave links in the description on some other books I use to organize and write with. The first page is always a title page, so I wrote my mission for the month to upload all 31 days of October. The second page is a video idea list. It includes all of the videos I'm anticipating doing. And the third page is a continuous idea list. On both pages, between the margins, I write upload, edit, film, and I check off each as they apply so I can recall what I've already completed. Fourth page is a calendar so I can keep track of what day it is and X out when I've uploaded. The rest of the pages are mapped out by week. It keeps my thoughts and uploads concise so Vlogoween doesn't feel so overwhelming. I write down the day and date, fill in the video title, and plan out the week to come. Right here is where this video is going. And I'll continue filling in completed videos until Halloween. I know it's very simple and it's common sense, but some people are not naturally organized, so that might be a fun tip or a fun thing to incorporate into your everyday life, whether it's just a planner or whatever, anything. Like, it doesn't have to be strictly YouTube based. So with all that, I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. I hope I didn't over explain it, and I hope you guys could apply this to whatever you do. It could be your grocery list, it could be literally anything. I hope you guys liked this video, and again, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween.